Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my braids and how I make my anti-itch spray. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, so these are the things I'm going to be using to make my anti-itch spray. I'm going to be using aloe vera juice, castor oil, tea tree oil, lavender oil and peppermint oil. I got all these things from Naissance, which is an online store in the UK. I'm going to be mixing them in this spray bottle, which is an old facial spray bottle from Superdrug. So I'm going to start by putting about 50 ml of the aloe vera juice in there. Aloe vera juice has it feels very cooling on the scalp, and it's extremely moisturizing and lightweight as well. Then I'm going to put castor oil. Castor oil is one of the best oil you can apply to your scalp without clogging your pores, and also it promotes hair growth. I'm going to apply the 3 essential oils, starting with tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which prevents dandruff or any form of scalp condition that often to spring up with braids and long-term protective styles. Also lavender oil. Lavender oil is good for the scalp as well, and it also has and it feels really cooling and nice on the scalp. And last but not the least, I'm going to be adding peppermint oil. I'm using about 50 drops of each of these essential oil. Peppermint oil has anti-itch properties. It prevents itching, and it has that nice minty smell on the scalp, and it brings that fresh smell back into my hair and scalp. So that is why I use all these 3 oils. So they smell nice, they have nice properties for the scalp and hair. So I'm going to shake all this together, and I'm going to start applying it to my hair. So here's my hair. I do this about every 3 to 4 days. So here's my hair. My hair is 3 weeks old here. So I'm going to start by taking the spray which I just made now. I'm going to shake it and spray it onto my scalp directly first, making sure that every area of my scalp is covered. I love this spray because it has I love this bottle. It has like the tiniest mist out. It sprays out liquid in the tiniest mist, which means that it doesn't get my hair wet, and at the same time it makes sure that the product or whatever I'm applying is evenly distributed. So that is why I love it, and it's just so cute and portable to hold. And yeah, that's it. Then I'm going to apply it also to the length of my hair. I'm going to massage it into my hair, just work it in carefully. And right now my scalp was feeling so tingly and cooling and nice, and that is how I moisturize it and bring back freshness into my scalp and hair. So to tame all the flyaways that springing up in my hair, I use this mousse from Cream of Nature, which is my favorite. I use it to tame any flyaway, and this preserves the freshness of my braids longer. Like I get to wear my braids longer when I put this mousse on it regularly. So it just tames any flyaway and lays them down, and then I get to wear my braids longer. And to bring some shine back into my hair, I'm going to use my DIY whipped shea butter. I'm going to apply that all over my hair just to bring some shine and for that sealing everything I just put in there. Then apply some Eco Styler gel on my edges. I'm not big on the baby hair or that sleek lead edges, but I just try to put in a little bit of effort so they're not looking too rough. So I'm brushing the Eco Styler gel in. Then I'm going to take my satin scarf and I'm going to use it to lay my edges down and also a part of my hair. and this is my hair once I was done. Like I told you, I'm not really big on the baby hair thingy, so I didn't do any baby hair or anything like that. I just make sure that my edges are like neat and good. And this is me done, and this is my braids refreshed, and my scalp feels so good. My hair smells so nice. And yeah, it just looks good as new. And this is my hair is 3 weeks old here, and as you can see, it still looks fresh and nice. And this is what I do about twice a week to maintain my braids. And that is that for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a nice comment in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.